This is the video guide about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site Litugamet.xyz. Litugamet.xyz is a junk site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This site displays pretty scary content, and it tries to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups by Litugamet.xyz, do not trust these deceptive and fake alerts. Simply leave this deceptive page. I also recommend you to research the computer with combo cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, use the green download combo cleaner button, install the application, and then once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching and investigating your computer with its help. So, Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats which could still possibly remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.